Welcome to Art by Kadim, and in today's video I'll be drawing a orange tree. As you can see, I'm already in the process of drawing it by drawing one of the orange and just drawing a couple of leaves to start it off. And guys, in this video you'll see how good I am at drawing. I can draw a variety of stuff, but for this video I decided to draw an orange tree. And guys, I just want to remind you guys to remember to like this video, comment, tell me what you would like me to draw, to see if I can step up to the challenge. Tell me what you think, and also share it to your friends, your family, to ask them what they think and what they think they could ask me to draw. I could be able to take up the challenge as well. So yeah, and most importantly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. The more subscription, the more you guys subscribe, is the more I can be able to show you more of my skill, more drawings, to see more things that can be drawn by me. So I would definitely appreciate your support if you could subscribe, share it to your friends, let them subscribe, and just a comment and let me know what you would like me to draw. So I'm going to let you guys watch so that you can be able to see what I'm drawing. So see you later on in the video. Hey guys, thought I was gone, but don't worry, I am back. So, since you have reached this far in the video, I hope you like what you see so far. It's coming together very good and very nicely. As you can see here, as I said in the starting of the video, I'll be drawing an orange tree, and I hope that you like what you see so far. And as I said before in the starting of the video, remember to comment, like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Until next time.